So the most outrageous thing happened. I saw a patient today and she had a cough that had been present for 2 years. So I asked her, I said, do you think it's due to your COPD? And she was like, COPD? I don't have that. And she was very upset. And I said, this is just what I found in your medical records, but let's just start fresh. I want to know about your history. We're going to figure this out. So I did a couple of tests. I did a chest x-ray. And unfortunately, she had a tumor in her chest. I share this because it's important to know what's in your chart, what diagnosis is correct, and which one is incorrect. So take the time to look in your chart so you know your health and what's right so you can get the best care possible.